Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the Rainbow Bouquet in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. I just got the Rainbow Bouquet from completing a quest in Heartopia, and this is the description about the Rainbow Bouquet. It says after scattering flowers, you and your DG members gain a 30-minute blessing effect that improves the star rating of the results when fishing, cooking, insect catching, sand sculpting, pumpkin carving, and snow sculpting. Watering may also sprinkle a rainbow breeding powder. Oh, and I think this is a very cool item, guys, because you can improve the star rating when you do your hobby. And let's try to use it. I'm going to click on this rainbow bouquet. Okay, and now the effect is coming. And I'm going to monitor the effect. Okay, you can monitor the effect right here. Rainbow clover blessing. And then I'm going to start watering my flower. I'm going to check whether I get the rainbow breeding powder sprinkle from the watering can or not. Let me equip my watering can and let's start watering my flowers. Okay, seems like I don't get the rainbow breeding powder. Then let's move to the next hobby. I'm gonna try the cooking hobby. I'm going to see how many stars I get. Okay, I got 3 stars. And then I'm going to try to catch insects. Let's catch this butterfly. Oh, and it says rainbow blessing and I got 1 more star. Okay, it's cool. And okay guys, that's how you can use the Rainbow Bouquet in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching and bye!